Hi, I'm Emily Wenzel with Body and Mind Enrichment. I'm a food extraordinaire, and we're gonna make a recipe with sweet tomato and broccoli. The ingredients include broccoli, tomato, sweet onion, red onion, scallions, dill, currants, and then a honey mustard dressing. All right, so we're gonna add, along with the broccoli, the onions. So a sweet onion and a red onion, adding a little color, also the red color with the tomatoes, and some scallions. And don't forget the dill. The currants to add a little extra sweetness. And you can put all sorts of things in your salad, but of course it's all about the sauce. So we're gonna get saucy over here with my honey mustard dressing. So about an 1/8 cup of apple cider vinegar and about the same of a white wine vinegar. And then you're also gonna add your olive oil, or if you want a lighter oil, then add maybe a grapeseed or a sunflower oil. So about an 1/8 cup, give or take, if you need a little more or a little less. I add my extra sweetness of raw honey. I tend to end up blending it in a bullet so it purees everything. Little bit of mustard, and then turmeric. If you don't have dry mustard or turmeric, you could add a squeeze of a mustard of your preference and blend it all together. The finished product is a sauce like this. Drizzle it on top, and then you get your extra special sweet tomato broccoli salad. And there's your sweet tomato broccoli salad. I'm Emily Wenzel with bodyandmindenrichment.org.